In 2023, the best fishing rod and reel combos are sure to be on the market. With advancements in fishing technology, it is now possible to find combos that can provide hours of enjoyment. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced angler, make sure to check out our latest video for some tips on how to choose the perfect rod and reel combination for your fishing needs. We have included links in the description box. Let's get started. At number 1 is Ugly Stik Fishing Rod and Reel Combo. If you're looking for a rod and reel combo that is tough, bright, and stylish, the Ugly Stik Fishing Rod and Reel Combo is perfect for you. This combo is made with Ugly Tech construction, which combines graphite and fiberglass for a strong yet sensitive rod. The EVA handle balances durability and comfort. The gear ratio of 5.5:1 provides a mechanical advantage, making it perfect for fishing on fast water. Additionally, the multi-stop anti-reverse system ensures quick hook sets no matter what the situation may be. Finally, the machine and anodized aluminum spool makes this combo look amazing while providing years of dependable use. At number 2 is PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combos. The PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combos are a great product. They are made of high-quality carbon fiber and are very durable. The telescopic fishing rod is also portable and has a closed-length design which is convenient for carrying around. The power of the rod is medium, which is perfect for most people. The anti-reverse feature on the rod makes it easy to control your fishing line in the water, and the gear ratio makes it perfect for catching fish. Overall, this is a great product that would be perfect for any fisherman looking for something durable, portable, and reliable. At number 3 is Magreel Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Combo Set. I'm really impressed with this Magreel Telescopic Fishing Rod and Reel Combo Set. The quality of the materials is really good. The rod is made from 24T carbon fiber with stainless steel guides, and the reel is also corrosion resistant. The handle is also very comfortable to hold, and the extra smooth reel performs well. This combo set includes a lot of useful accessories, including a telescopic fishing rod, fishing reel, EVA carrier back, 120mm fishing line, and tackle for fishing lures. The pole is portable enough to take with you on your next fishing trip, and the after-sales service is excellent. I had no problems whatsoever with my purchase. I would definitely recommend this combo set to anyone looking for high-quality equipment for saltwater or freshwater fish hunting. At number 4 is Sougayilang Fishing Rod Combos. The Sougayilang Spinning Rod Reel Combo is a high-quality product that is designed for both novice and experienced anglers. The carbon fiber telescopic fishing rod is durable and light, making it easy to carry around. The reel has 13+1 corrosion-resistant smooth ball bearings and a powerful 5.5:1 gear ratio, making it ultra-smooth. The aluminum honeycomb design spool gives the reel strength and lightweight, while the EVA knob makes it non-slip and more comfortable to use. Overall, this is a quality product that is perfect for anyone who wants to enjoy fishing without any worries. At number 5 is PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combo Set. I was very impressed with the PLUSINNO Fishing Rod and Reel Combo Set. The construction is top-notch, with M6 carbon matrix technology blanks giving each casting rod and spinning rod incredible performance, sensitivity, and power. The carbon split grip and full grip using a non-slip EVA and cork handle is made to deliver a premium rod at a greater value than the competition. The super smooth power stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts makes it more smooth and durable, avoids line sticking into the guides, minimizes friction while also enhancing sensitivity by transferring vibrations from the line through the guide to the rod and to your hand. The anti-winding tip, the tips of PLUSINNO spinning rods, is designed to better prevent the fishing line from twisting. You will never struggle with a twisted fishing line again. A must-have for your panfish, trout, and bass fishing with finesse techniques. My kids were able to put it together without any problem at all. Great value of such high-quality gear. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and leave a comment. If you found this video helpful, click on the links in the description to find out more about the products